Hi everyone, welcome back to my project. This is a full stack project for car repairing service. I work here almost 2 weeks to finish this project. Uh, Here you can search using name, and here you can see the category section. You can also search by category. You can see when I select a category where no service available, it's showing that there is no service. Okay, and if I select again all, then all service will be back. Okay, this is a specific service I have. Here I just add demo data to just demonstrate how it's look like. It can be more customizable if you want to make your own system like this, then I can give you more good design and more good functionalities using your requirements. Okay, let's you can see here is the dark and light mode option. It's pretty nice, right? Okay, here you can see the feedback form and also survey option. You can write your name, age, and your gender. You can select. Let's visit our dashboard section. Here you can as a admin you can see the customers who registered in your website. Okay, from here you can filter by username. You can search, and as an admin you can also add a user. Okay, this is the profile for admin. In my website, in this website we have 3 role, like super admin, admin, and the customer. Okay, you can add you can update your profile. From here you can add picture, your profile picture. You can update your description, bio. As you can see, I was not select any photos, so let's remove the previous one. Let's add again. Okay, and this one. Okay, let's upload. I'm using upload things to upload these images. It's pretty nice too. Okay, here is the service list where I can see all the services, and this is the create service page where I can create services. I am using React Quill, so it's look very nice. This is the category section. From here you can add the category. This is the post section. You can add post. This is the booking customers who booked service. You can edit also for updating its repairing status. This is the login page, and we have sign up page also. Our website is also mobile responsive. Let's take a look. Okay, it's look nice, right? You can see I care about the mobile responsive view, how it should look like. You can open any post and see. Mm, you can see the same functionalities which I was showing you in the desktop view. It's look nice too, right? Okay, I work very hard for this project. I think if you have any suggestion for me, how I can improve, then it will helpful for me. And if you have any plan to make your own website using Next.js and Nest.js as a backend, I work I work using Next.js for the front end, and I also uh, try website to make SEO friendly. Now, SEO friendly is very high demand task from the client. I think it's very good. As I was system admin, web admin, I was I was work in past with SEO, search engine optimization. So I know how it's what important, how much. Okay, this is our customer page. Here you can add booking. You can place a booking. You can select the date. I will be very happy if anyone love this project and want to work with me, so I can get motivated to work as a web developer. It will really helpful. If you want to if you want to work on this project and customize, if you have any your own design, you can give me, so I can convert it for you. You can check my description, where you can check this video description, where you will get information, contact information about me. Please feel free to contact me with your suggestion and feedback, and if you need any help for building such application. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye bye.